the iconic John Bull. Here's the Pennsylvania diesel engine 5901. Here's a couple different freight cars. Here's the Pennsylvania Switcher 7006, and behind it is the iconic Conrail 2233. Here is the gigantic Pennsylvania Railroad GG1. Here is the underneath of a Pennsylvania steam locomotive. This is the inside of a Rending passenger car. This is the front of a big snowplow.
These injectors, they're basically water pumps. They're pulling water out of the tender.
That was the inside of a snow locomotive.